Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the oil daily chart here via USO, and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as some profitable trade ideas here on oil itself. Now you're going to want to watch through the entire video because at the end of the video I have something that I want to give to you. So let's start off here looking at the USO daily chart, and I want to mention I do think that oil is going to be headed lower overall. Now the question remains, is it going to head lower from here, or are we going to head a little bit higher before potentially heading lower? Well, right here to me is not a great risk reward area to short. Okay, we've liked oil for a short against this downtrend line several times. In fact, back here, this is when we made a profitable trade. I traded it profitably, as well as alerting it to the members of the membership program right here. We got short on that break of the support, took profits right here. Again, we recommended a short here publicly on these free videos against this downtrend line right here and against this huge resistance right there. You can see that worked out beautifully, and if you've been following along, congratulations on following along and making these profitable trades. So now what do we do with oil? Well, right here we're just kind of in an in-between zone right here, whereas if you go up higher a little bit to short, and this is not saying that oil is going to head higher. Okay, this is not saying that. But if we do head higher, the risk versus reward by shorting up here is a lot better. And you got to pay attention to risk versus reward because not every trade is going to work out. Okay, we don't have crystal balls. I don't have a crystal ball, and most other, wink wink, profitable and successful traders don't have crystal balls as well. But what they do, and what I do, is pay attention to risk versus reward. So by shorting up here, you can assure that your loss is going to be smaller than your win would be. So by shorting here, you risk that oil is going to head higher before potentially changing that trend. So up here is where I would personally be shorting oil right here, not really liking it for a long or a short. Looking at the overall picture of oil, you can clearly see that we're in a downtrend. Here's a high, lower high, lower high, and here's a lower high. Here's a lower low, and then another lower low. That is the technical definition of a downtrend. And we don't even need to get technical. You can just see that it's in a downtrend. So that's why we think oil is going to be headed lower, because it is in downtrend. Now this can all change if we break over this 1160 mark, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. But right now we are in a downtrend, and with that said, more than likely oil is going to head lower, especially if we head back up here. This is the best risk reward area to initiate new shorts. So now that you've watched the video, I have something that I'd like to give to you. It's a limited time offer that you can take part of today. You've seen the results from watching these free analysis videos as well as the trade review videos where we show you trades that we have taken and alerted to the members at the Trading Analyst, part of the membership program, and you can see that we get results. So you're probably wondering, how can you get these same results? And that's a great question. Well, we've designed specifically for people like you the Trading Analyst membership program. And in it, you have the ability to look over the shoulder of a successful and profitable trader. In the program, you can literally trade from anywhere because the alerts are sent in real time directly to your mobile phone. In the program, you also will have full access to the private Twitter feed where you can get live insights into the mind of a professional and profitable trader like myself. We're not just handing you out these alerts. While these alerts are very key to the membership program and will make you money, there's also so much more to the membership. So on the private Twitter feed, I'm sharing my thought process, why these trades are happening, why these trades are taking place, and what I'm seeing so that you can learn and become a better trader on your own. And if you don't want to become a better trader and you just want to follow along in these alerts and just make money, that is great too. And you're going to get a better understanding of these trades from the action on the private Twitter feed. You can also ask me questions, interact with me on a real-time basis. In the membership program, you're also going to get exclusive access to the daily members only videos. The learning never stops at the trading analyst. So these daily member videos are nothing like the free videos that we post here for you to see on the free analysis. In the daily member only videos, we're going over potential trades so that you're prepared for the alerts ahead of time. We don't just hand out these alerts and hope that you can follow along. We're preparing you the night before, sometimes weeks before trades even take place, because we're waiting for a setup to happen and you're able to learn as you're earning in the market. So you're probably wondering right now, what is the price? And that is a great question. So next week, the Trading Analyst Membership Program prices are going back up to $249 per month, or for the annual membership, $899 per year. Well, lucky for you, right now, for this week only, we have a limited time offer that you can take part in. So your two options are $74 for the monthly membership per month, or if you prefer a more value membership, the annual membership is free for 7 days. It's a free 7-day trial, and if you decide to sign up at the end of that free 7-day trial, you'll be billed $468 for the year, which ends up being just $39 a month, which is extremely valuable. If you think about it, that's how much people pay for their coffee at Starbucks each month. So the best part is it's free for 7 days, and you can cancel that membership anytime you like within those 7 days, and you won't be billed anything. So it's risk-free, and you've got nothing to lose for signing up. So right now, we're going to take a look at what some of the current members are saying about the membership. It's one thing for me to talk about the membership program that I have created, but it's another for you to hear from current members and what they're really saying about the membership. This first one is from Ben Stevenson, and Ben says, "The Trading Analyst Membership Program is exactly what I have been searching for. It's so exciting being able to say that I make money from the markets. I knew bits and pieces of information about options and trading, but nowhere did I find a membership program and an analyst as knowledgeable as Taylor is." This next one is from Chase Taylor, and Chase says, "After jumping around from service to service, I finally found a home at the Trading Analyst with Taylor. He's amazing, and I feel so thankful that I stumbled upon his website. Everything happens for a reason, I guess." This last one is from Francisco Pinto, and Francisco says, "I absolutely love the membership program so far. It's worth 10 times what I paid for it. I've been trying to turn a profit in the market for a while now and just couldn't do it. The Trading Analyst Membership Program was the very thing that I have to thank for turning my account profitable for the last 2 years. Thank you so much, Taylor." No, thank you, Francisco. So right now you're probably wondering, what do I do next? Well, below this video, if you're watching it on the website, there's a Join Now for Instant Access button. What you're going to do is click that button to get started, and you're going to get immediate access to the winning trade alerts, the private Twitter feed, the daily member videos, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the membership program.